third grade class. We are your host for our April Award Assembly.
Hi, I'm Jade. Our first awards are the Wildcats every month and our Service of Ourself. The Wildcat of the Month was given to 2 students in first, second, and third grade. The Service of Ourself award goes to a third grader who gives back in some way. Here's our counselor, Mr. Graber, to present these awards.
Hey Wildcats, so here we are to announce our April Award winners. So as always, we will start with our Service Above Self. And just a reminder, our Service Above Self is sponsored by the Harrisonville Rotary Club, so we always appreciate their support. So this month's recipient of Service Above Self goes to the third grade student of Casey Canoy. Congratulations, Casey. Our next awards are our Harrisonville Wildcats of the Month, which are sponsored by the Harrisonville Police Department, and we always appreciate their support. So we'll start with our 2 first grade Wildcats of the Month. They are Max Rain and Mason Krabs. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Clara Bross and Kalai Taylor. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are James DeLeon and Duke Baldwin. Congratulations to all those winners. And finally, Mrs. Sumner and I, as the school counselors here at HES, always like to pick either a first or second or third grade classroom that we think demonstrates kindness and compassion and cooperation and great behavior. So this month, I selected the second grade class from Miss Harrigan for their kindness and their ability to work together and their ability to follow directions. So congratulations to Miss Harrigan's class.
Hello, I'm Ben Miller. Our last Culver's night of the year is tonight, 5 through 8 p.m. Come out and have your teacher bring your food to you.
I'm Elena. Next up are our Character Trait Award winners. Our Character Trait Award winners are given to 2 students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited curiosity during the month of April. Here's our principal, Dr. Falke, to announce this month's winners.
Hi guys, and here's our April character trait. Zoe Crotty, Damian Nelson, Bryson Hughes, Hunter Holt, Austin Miller, Zahara Alessi, Remy Larkham, Leah Lake, Davina Korf, Maverick Osborne, Tommy Hall, Angel Guzman, Carly Scoville, David Randall, Christina Kildo, Samuel Boyd, Macy Seymour, Ivy Madsen, Everett Hallbrook, Waylon Hufford, Nick Patrick, Thomas Janes, Dawson Babb, Braden Castile, Mackenzie Wright, Hope Landstrom, Benton Litchfield, Ruby Armbruster, Cameron Lakey, Easton Swift, Piper Deerdorf, Grant Conruff, Ivy Calloway, Ava Middlemoss, Kendall Aviles, Kaylin Kreisel, Elias Collins, Callan Bechtel, Peyton Vanderecken, Bo Harris, Wyatt Bird, Jeffrey Zepeda Pineda, Briella Roebling, Iris Britton, Jackson Cross, and Bo Starforth. Congratulations, April winners. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and read May winners also, and the character trait was perseverance. Brittany Bunger, Raiden Kagrease, Case Davis, Harper James, Case Valentine, Harper Chenoweth, Daniel Saldana, RJ Pruitt, Hazley Burgess, Ben Gensel, Fletcher Huckabee, Harper Beamer, Malachi Deerdorf, Ivy Mueller, Dalton Ducharme, McKenna Lewis, Bryson Miner, Allison Munoz Evans, Adeline Cheney, Symphony Briner, Faith Malone, Marley Morris, Easton Blake, Olivia Johnston, Willow Person, Macy Plum, Lily Shaw, Jackson Clifford, Coda Lancaster, Scarlett Oldham, August Smith, Toby Giamabala, Piper Gooch, Dakota Bird, Abel Fuller, Dixie Swafford, Eliana Clark, Miles Menino, Maverick Doe, Braylee Smith, Isaac Hebel, Aaliyah Francis, Katie Harris, Noah Phillips, and Cadence Deerdorf.
I'm Miles, and I wanted to remind everyone that our field day is Friday. Be sure to put on sunscreen before you come. Bring dry clothes and wear comfy shoes.
Hi, I'm Emily, and our Mathematician of the Month is the next award. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job within math over the past month. Here is Ms. Shrout to announce our winners.
Congratulations to our April mathematicians. Lily Tomlinson, Henry Brown, Jackson Whelan, Leah Lake, Braden Kuykendall, Verily McSparron, Reese McInnes, Rowan Stafford, Noelle Bevan, Connor Boyd, Adeline Cheney, Gannon Dobnikar, Lola Jones, McKenna Rushley, Kyler Carroll, Kinsey Widener, Emily Bowman, Kendall Aviles, Lyle McClanahan, Kaiser Holt, Lazarus Bollinger, Grace Michaels, Macy Wood, and Olivia Brummett. I'm going to go ahead and read May mathematicians as well. Congratulations to Brady Williams, Zoe Stanley, Millie Wolf, Britton Schroeder, Peyton Chenoweth, Kyson Schleem, Owen Kirch, Lucas Butler, Lane Stevens, Ben Leddington, Jackson Gregory, Thomas James, Dusty Swafford, Jace Thomas, Zaylee Hetrick, Cassidy Irvin, Elena Hunter, Ava Baldwin, Avery Gilmore, Carmen Calvin, Keegan Reinhardt, Riker Dickerson, Alex Saunders, and Lee Phillips. Great job this year, guys.
Hi, I'm Nash, and I'm here to introduce our special teachers to present their awards. Here are Mrs. Bathgate, Miss Hearn, Coach Thorpe, and Mrs. Lawman.
Hi Wildcats and Wildcat families. I'm here to present the April Music Awards, and I'm going to begin with the class awards first. Our third grade winner is Mrs. Hammond's class. Our second grade winner is Mrs. Studley's class. And our first grade winner is Mrs. Florence's class. Thank you for working hard during these final months of school and giving your best efforts. Next, I want to present each of our individual Music Star Awards, starting with the third grade students. In Mrs. T. Brown's class, congratulations to Alyssa O'Connor. In Mrs. Comfort's class, Calvin Bass. In Mrs. Geary's class, Lily Sharp. In Mrs. Gerke's class, Myra Gutierrez-Jones. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Titan Chastain. In Mrs. Hawkins' class, Willow Person. And in Mrs. Hopper's class, there are two, Ivy Calloway and Brady Snyder. Then in our second grade rooms, in Miss Harrigan's class, congratulations to Rory Barnes. In Mrs. Hastings' class, there are two, Braden Castile and Zoe Wyant. In Mrs. Holman's class, Catherine McCain. In Mrs. Knight's class, Jaden Hargrave. In Mrs. Peters' class, Stevie Oden. In Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Allie McFadden. And in Mrs. Studley's class, Stratton Warner. And then in our first grade classes, congratulations in Mrs. Blomquist's class to Zoe Crotty. In Mrs. A. Brown's class to both Braden Bass and Sky Logan. In Mrs. Cooper's class, Wesley Matthews. In Mrs. Florence's class, Oakley Watson and Luke Botorf. In Mrs. French Ward's class, Max Rain. In Mrs. Hearn's class, Josie Hillman. In Ms. Maxwell's class, Charlotte Waller. And in Mrs. Mitchell's class, Avery Gorman. Great job, Wildcat musicians.
Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mrs. Lawman, and today I am giving out 2 awards. The first one is for the month of April. It is to a class that has done a great job all year long, and I have not yet recognized them for their behavior in the library. They have done really well, and I really appreciate that. So it goes to Mrs. French Ward's first grade class. I have another award as I look at the entire year. This class Not that I enjoy all my classes coming in, but this class does such an amazing job every single time they come in. I believe they may have been my first award winners for the library, but I'm giving an award to Mrs. Brown's first grade class as well. Congratulations, Wildcats. Have a good day.
Hello, HES. Mrs. Bathgate here with our art awards for April. For our Art in the Community Awards, we have a few first graders. We've got Elena Clark, Jairo Garcia, John Ekstrom, Mahaya Jones, Brensley Bunger, Zaylee Hedrick, Kobe Wilson, and Natalie Beggs. Congratulations. Our class winners for this month is Mrs. Hastings' class, and our table winners for this month is going to be Green Table. See you later, guys.
Hi HES, Coach Thorpe here. I am announcing the Sportsmanship Award winners for this month. Our class award winner is Miss Peters' class. Congratulations. Our first grade winners are Evelyn Roach and Kyler Carroll. Very good job. Second grade, Ella Baldwin and Finnegan Parkhurst. Very nice work. And third grade, we have Adeline Cheney and Chase Petchel. Congratulations to all the winners.
Hi HES, Coach Thorpe and I have one more announcement to make. We wanted to let you know that we will not be here next year, but we've had an amazing year with you.
And we can't wait to celebrate the end of the year with you. And we hope you have a very great summer.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Ivy. I want to tell you about our Bright Futures Blue Barrel collection for May. We're collecting shampoo, soap, and deodorant for our back-to-school fair in August.
Hey HES Wildcats, it's Mrs. Brown. I'm coming to announce our April Blue Barrel winners. All three grade levels all together collected 325 items for the Cass County Dental Clinic. Third grade came in first place with 160 items, second grade with 125 items, and first grade with 40 items. Way to go, Wildcats. We are going to be collecting hygiene items this last few days of May that we're in school, so if you have any shampoos, deodorants, body washes that you want to bring in, we'll be collecting those in the Blue Barrel.
Finally, I'm Toby, and I wanted to remind you that the last day of school is Thursday, May 16th. It's an early release day, so we'll get out of school at 12:30.
My favorite part of school is PE. My favorite thing to do in third grade is to be in Miss Hopper's class.
My favorite part of school is recess.
My favorite part of school is PE and recess. My favorite thing about school is PE. My favorite part about school is being in this class and going to PE and seeing Coach Thorpe. My favorite thing I did this year was probably Red Barn Ranch.
My most favorite thing I did in third grade is do Culver's night.
My favorite thing about the school year is writing.
My favorite thing about the school year is PE and pickleball.
My favorite thing about the school year is recess so I can see my friends.
My favorite thing at this school year is playing basketball at recess.
My favorite thing about this school year is showing up and seeing Miss Hopper and all my friends at the beginning of the school day.
My favorite thing about this year was going to the Chiefs Stadium.
My favorite thing about this year is art and PE.
My favorite thing about this school year is having the best teacher.
My favorite thing about this school year is everything.